Hello guys, welcome to Say Geek. As you already know, it's very common and basic problem. You cannot share more than 25 MB file via email attachment. So today our topic is how to share large files and folders even which are more than 25 MB via Google Drive. So I have suppose Office backup file which is more than 665 MB. So I will share it on internet and I will teach you how to share to others. First of all, go into drive.google.com. This is the email address. So this is my drive. I have already created many folders and files here. I will go into backup. This is my folder. I have already pasted many files, and this is an amazing drive which is online for you and available for you and for everyone which you want to share your data. Its total space is 15 GB and I have used 1.25 GB. Suppose you want to copy the file in your Google Drive like C drive, D drive, you need to just select the file or folder and paste here. Now I have already, so upload, keep both. Now this is the status for uploading. It will take some time as the file is larger than 600 MB. So after uploading, I will cancel it because I have already uploaded this file. Now this is the uploaded folder. I will go into this folder. Click on this is text file and this is office file. Now as you are observing, this is 650 MB file. So if you want to share it with anyone, just right click on it. Here are multiple options like you can rename, you can open with, share, get link for shareable, show file location. You can create a shortcut, you can move to any folder in Google Drive specifically. So these are all options for this specific file. If you want to share this folder, just right click on this folder. All options are here for you. Now share, I will click on share. This will create a link. Now you can copy the link here and send to anyone which you want to share. So I will type the address of, suppose this is one of my friend. Now this will allow to this specific user to share, edit or view this file. You can specify the setting like you want to allow him to just view this file, just download and use this file. You can allow him to just comment this file or you can allow him to edit this file. In this way you can write a message, please find office backup. In this way you can share. Now you can have link for everyone and you can send specific person like this one to send. Now the file will be, the folder office will be shared with that specific person. Now if you want to see who is sharing your file or folder, you can just click on it and these are the users which are accessing your file, your folder office, and they can download or view this file. You can manage access levels here again. Now this is dialog box again. This is a description. I have add this user for viewing this file. You can change it by, you can remove access, you can transfer ownership to him, you can again No, now I will remove this one from this accessing save. In this way, you can share your folders, files, you can create an online backup. You have 15 GB of your space. So guys, thanks for learning and watching. Please like our videos and subscribe our channel.